Okay, I've seen a video about fridge tours. I said, let me take a peep and see. Maybe I need to clean my fridge out. This is what it looks like. My door is the worst. Yeah, this is the door of it. So I figured I'd clean it out today. I'm low on ketchup. I don't have any mustard, things like that. Anyway, so we'll look through that. This is the freezer here. Some meal prep steaks and stuff like that. My fruit. And then this is the inside parts. As you can see, I love Omaha steaks. And this is just some steaks I had before my order arrived. So anyway, there's some meats and what is this? There's some shrimp. Yeah, and that's makeup. So that's what it's looking like. Okay, let me clean it out and see what I'm left with. Okay, so here is the after photo, which not much different there. I forgot about that bottom one. I'm going to wipe that out, but this is the after. And I wiped everything out, and there you go. Now it's time to go to the market. Bye.